Hello students, how are you? Welcome to the first video of Science Class 8, Chapter 12, Friction. Students, in this topic we shall discuss about force of friction. So now let us start. Force of friction, the external force that opposes the relative motion between the two surfaces in contact called force of friction, or it is commonly called friction. Friction always opposes the relative motion between the two bodies in the contact. It is the reason why a ball on the ground stops after covering a certain distance. So friction acts in the opposite direction of movement of ball. Next is friction due to the interlocking of surface. So students, you know that all solid surfaces are rough. The degree of roughness varies from surface to surface. So when a body pulled over the another, these irregularities interlock with each other and opposes the motion. So when a body is pulled over the another, these hills and valleys interlock with each other and opposes the motion between two bodies, and this gives rise to the friction force. Next is friction due to force of adhesion. The two rough surfaces, when placed together, meet only at the certain points. These points attract each other. This attract is called force of adhesion. When one body is made to move over the other, the force of adhesion opposes the motion. This force, which opposes the motion, also gives rise to the frictional force. Now the factors those are affecting the friction. You see in the diagram that on horizontal surface the force of friction is directly proportional to the weight of body which moves. If the weight is increases, then irregularities between the surfaces get interlocked tightly due to pressure, and the surface offers more friction. For example, it is easy to roll or slide a lighter wooden box over the ground than heavier one. Next factor is nature of surface. The force of friction also depends on the nature of surface in contact. For example, force of friction between a pair of highly polished surface is very small as compared to the force of friction between the two rough surfaces. Let us revise what we have learned today by answering the following questions. The first question is the external force that opposes the relative motion between the two surfaces in contact called option A gravitational force, option B electrostatic force, option C force of friction, option D none of these. And the correct answer is option C force of friction. Second question is which surface offers more force of friction? Option A rough surface, option B smooth surface, option C polished surface, option D none of them. And the correct answer is option A rough surface. Third question is two boys applying the force on a box. If the magnitude of the force applied by each is equal, will the box experience any force of friction? Option A force of friction will be doubled as the net force on the box is 0. Option B force of friction will be half. Option C force of friction will be 0 as the net force on the box is 0. And option D all of these. And the correct answer is option C force of friction will be 0 as the net force on the box is 0. Question 4 force of friction depend upon option A weight of body, option B nature of surface in contact, option C both of them, option D none of them. And the correct answer is option C both of them. Practice makes perfect. So students, it's time to practice, and your practice homework are on your screen. Try to answer correctly. We will be present soon. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching.